Good morning. This is Ms. Pratt, RHS librarian, and I want to show you how to download the Destiny app so that you can put ebooks and audiobooks on your own devices. So the first thing you can do, and it's super easy, is simply Google Follett, and that's two L's and two T's, Discover app, and then you can open it up, and depending on the device that you want to put it into, you have the option of Kindle, Apple, Nook, and Windows. And I went through the Windows option, and then I simply opened up the installer and ran it. And once I did that, then as you can see right here, I've got the Destiny Discover app on my screen. I also have it on my smartphone. So once I'm in there, you can open it up and it's going to ask you to log in. Well, you have the option of logging in, but to check anything out, you have to log in. So just give this a second. But this is the same interface that you can access online. And as you can see with my little face right here, I'm still logged in from the last time. But all you have to do is simply use your student ID number and password. Notice I chose Rodriguez High School. So you just walk it through and choose your state and then the name of your school and then log in. And for teachers, it is your FSUSD login. So it should be the same standard login that you use for everything for the school district, whether you're a student or a teacher. And once I'm in, it very slowly cycles. Then this is everything in the library collection, and that's print resources, electronic resources, and audiobooks. And we also have some interactive books called Lightbox, and they're also classified down here under interactive ebooks. But I wanted to show you ebooks today. So we have 2,187 ebooks, and you can use the search box, and you can search by author, format, like if you want like just the high school level books, you can sort by that. But I just want to open it up and show you how to check it out. So if you look right here at this example, you'll see that we can just open the book and look at it, or we can check it out. And it's as simple as that. Once you're logged in, you can just click the checkout button, and then that's checked out to you. And just like if you had print books, you can have 3 books for 3 weeks, and that's set up to automatically return the book if it's an ebook after 3 weeks. So you don't have to like worry about returning, although you do have that option. Once it opens, there's little arrows you can page through. If you're using your phone device, it will swipe. So it's very easy to use. And it's very similar to other apps that you might have on your device. You can also put it on your Chromebook. If I go back, then I can also just go back to the Destiny Discover page. And I wanted to show you audiobooks, which are on the bottom. And that's just what it sounds like. So if you don't have time to actually read an item, you can listen to it. And all you could do, you can check it out just like a regular book. You can create your own favorite collection, especially like if you're doing research, you can put books together. Um, I would show you play, but you can't hear it on the other side of the video. And so um, that is the RHS, and this is the Rodriguez High School Library. If you look at our library homepage on the internet, this is like if you just start with the Rodriguez High School webpage, there's an icon in the middle that says library. Click it. It's going to take you here. You can put a search term in here, and it will take you to the interface we just looked at. This is also an interface, but you don't have to put a search term in to get to it. And so you can see we're right back where we started. Otherwise, we have the library catalog, which may be the more traditional version that you see. And this is a standard search term setup. So, for example, we open up dogs. But you have to go online to get to this interface, whereas the one that I showed you here using the app is going to take you to the part with the ebooks. You can't check out ebooks on the regular catalog. So realizing that as long as you have an internet connection or data, you can access an ebook 24/7. So over the holiday, if you get the hankering to read a good book, it's right there at your fingertips. And I hope you enjoy using it. Thank you.